Entabusia Appiah Stadium. Abedi di Akufo Addo atem. Ama media ne so. Ghana for ka o madwen e kire no. Be man kire mu na face no woman bi ayade be in fact a shock Ghana for. Wakobawura Pastor Elvis Ajiman. Eye afa wakobawura na so dem. Ama ko twaja atu na asore mu. Emabusia asem no abe asem sebe. Me man kire mu no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Penyah block media. Meswa say ni di mu. Obe like video no that one put a subscribe button and back click notification icon for latest updates now back to the wide and mama e will comment it's not over so no share for any biashe it. Let's begin with Appiah Stadium. So nim Appiah Stadium Mahama ba say was born homeland no we Mahama the boy in fact Ghana he nyina boy on the man no the CEO in charge of and I said the minister in charge of boy affairs e wo Ghana ha e Appiah Stadium on the boy le de udumo ye pa ye ne tani perform kotokuti nipa enya akoa ma nipa ne da nipa ne asenta free nipa na yase enkope kakra kwansi bi ni de Appiah Stadium odum say de ne ye now you know obeka ya on say Kumasi suame okọ keyetia ho no Asanteman school no akọ so hunu Asanteman school no no akọ zoo down ho no there's a runabout over there as a swami runabout. Now that runabout is under construction as a good for the buying and a year that a quino. Omu ye Kumasi quino in fact that main road omu now that swami honomono. Omu ye that interchange, you know, tier 4 interchange. That was only a human ama contractors in fact a work contractors in some only my contract somewhere 2022 anymore. It was expected to be completed in 2024, but omu omu say ye free a francho eba bebo nyano. Omu ye kwan ni nyina ye interchanges e wo muntu na edoso in fact a big project pa na omu de makon as a contractor say won omu ye adwuma na 2026 yi mu no ebusia say omu adwuma no omu ahote na say ko de bia metwa kwan no so ba say odu obia na nipa ni ho aso omu ahote adwuma ite say na I man ansem mu the current road minister ebeye enzetwefo nhyiamu ho no eno abi address ye na ne kase no go kire mu say Sika nshare ni hosa Ghana headed ni sika senti no that tier 4 interchange na Akufo Addo person oye no swame ho no mo no master this government omu ntimi instead of tier 4 no omu ateso eye ni tier 2 enti eno ana onobo asenso ezi esimu sei enti enra ana omu ebeye that press conference where omu kire omu adwene we
want to deal with why Kumasi deserve better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub, transportation modal hub, continues to experience rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership. Shortchanging Kumasi on a project of this scale is technically indefensible, economically unwise, and politically unjust. In conclusion, we want to emphasize that the Swami Interchange project was conceived as a long-term solution, not a short-term compromise. The Ashanti Caucus of Parliament therefore calls on government to restore the original 4-tier design of the Swami Interchange project, reprioritize funding to complete the project as designed and planned, and engage transparently with Parliament and the people of Kumasi and Ashanti region in general on the way forward. Kumasi deserves infrastructure that reflects its national importance, not half solutions justified by selective constraints. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your attention. In the light of its recent announcements, 1. Selective funding priorities. If government could mobilize funds for Ofanko in Sawami Road, which was also started by the MPP administration, and we also know that is a very important road, just like the Swami Interchange project, and other road projects, why is the Swami Interchange project being shortchanged? Big push contradiction. In 2025, government itself captured the Swami Interchange project under the Big Push Road program to guarantee continuous funding and timely payment. What has suddenly changed? Availability of funds. The finance minister has publicly stated that 43 billion Ghana cedis has been allocated to road infrastructure for this year alone. 43 billion. Why can't a fraction of this amount be applied to complete the Swami Interchange project as originally designed? New projects versus existing commitments. If government claims it lacks funds to complete the full design of the Swami Interchange project, why is it financing 64 new road projects recently rushed through PPA, public procurement system processes? Why prioritize new commitments over completing ongoing and high-impact projects? If government claims that it doesn't have money, then why has government abandoned a 64 complete Accra Kumasi dualization highway project only to pursue a greenfield three-way expressway at significantly higher costs and risks when it bemoans funding challenges? You see a pattern of discontinuity. These decisions raise a troubling question. Is this government deliberately deprioritizing projects initiated under the MPP administration in favor of projects it can label at its own? If so, it is not Ghanaians, not political opponents, who will bear the ultimate consequences. I want to deal with why Kumasi deserve better. Kumasi
mana Ghana fon edi ho komo na busia anwumre ana Appiah status on tiase se asens honorable asenso aye abeka nsimwe afa mahama won se chese ade no ma contract na mahama be no obete so ni ade chese Appiah se believe say asenso expose mahama ene Appiah stadium ene asenso edit tale so ewo phone calls na busia phone call na Appiah stadium se record na Appiah stadium engo kasa sebe impreduasa kasa wo ka kire asenso ene de o ma bi ko tia Akufo Addo no ese woni eni se ka kire
wa unu se de ya ewunim edi se ana me je se wo de wo so se wo ti bi se maka na so bi se wo ye dai e bi se nti media me kan bi asenso me fancho o da bi me enye se bia wo stop me fire o me kama bi a kire me kama bi a je bi se asenso ya ye o ya ye ni amon ho amamu ne kure o ya kwala asenso o nyo the right person as o kisa is there any don't be more ya we say me ba be di watem ne kwere man kan cha asenso na me bi papa say me be kan kwere say be say di watem say o ya di do mama ni my fo if say do mama e fa better than Akufo Addo no all right mate ene ma do mama ye 1 year Akufo Addo na o sifa kwa no oda na no so so we ba nyim kota tell you the fact o ya ye ni amon asenso me kan kire all right mate me bo boma bia kire pa ma wa o tie o yembeshi asenso wo ya bia mamu da ngbebu ya wo nya kwan fa kamera anim e be kika se do mama ache idiot udwane de wa ye de wa unu se de o ye ya ewunim edi se ana me je se wo de wo so se wo ti bi se maka na so bi se wo ye dai e bi se nti media me kan bi asenso me fancho o da bi me enye se bia wo stop me fire o me kika ma dua kire me kama bia je bi se asenso ya ye o ya ye ni amon ho amamu ne kure o ya kwala asenso o nyo the right person as o kisa je is there any don't be more ya we say me ba be di watem ne kure man kan cha asenso na me bi papa say me be kan kure say be say di watem say o ya di do mama ni my fo is there do mama e fa better than Akufo Addo no all right mate ene ma do mama ye 1 year Akufo Addo na o sifa kwa no oda na no so so we ti ba nyim kota tell you the fact wo ya ye ni amon asenso me kan kire all right me bo boma bia kire pa ma wa o tie o yembeshi mate asenso wo ya dia mamu da ngbebu ya wo nya kwan fa kamera anim e be kika se do mama ache idiot who dwane. Yeah, why there? Why you said why
Appiah Stadium. Utimi catch Akufo Addo say Akufo Addo no kra na or Tiamontra na or da na no nsuo. Wo Appiah Stadium. Me video we no. Me bompa isere nyame say God should guide me so that I don't add my submission. Say bia me from adwenture enka ho bie and me from adwenture enka ho because say me kasa Appiah Stadium. Say me kasa me kire ma adwen o wonsem na waka no ho a. Obi kasa tia ma hama na ndizefo no buofu. Na mo ke kan kwase asem. But wo Appiah Stadium. Ode ma me fancy ho no mo. There was a comedian as well. Ghana for no reply Appiah Stadium wo bo ma adwen pa e de kire no.
Appiah Stadium. Appiah Stadium. Appiah Stadium about in St. Premiers. Mo mpanifo kan say se njaya betwa e be ho akokon na obu nipa. Na se nkanya asem na nka nipa den pa ena ko betime nya kukuduro. Se obeka say na do dan Akufo Addo. Na nkoye nipa bia se nipa mu nsesa. Nipa mu fie. Appiah Stadium. Bodanfo a wo so nim faso. Anka wo achimmemu a na nka eye bodanfo empa bo akoya ma won pepa ho. Wo Appiah Stadium. Okame yenti a wo didi Akufo Addo atem. Hwe. Wan dey kasa na Appiah Stadium. Wo wabra ba bo wiase nyane se nipa a wo bra a onyes ka wan fan Jimmy said ye wo nyes ka wo di Jimmy ye a obo bra e ba na wakoda fam na ma 2 3 cities eno no wo bra wabo. You should be ashamed of yourself, Appiah Stadium. For you to have the audacity to come and insult another down Akufo Addo. Appiah Stadium. We are Jimmy for me can't tell. Unim nyansa.
Now it was about 4 days ago, and I sent PMO on the internet. Last year, 28th September 2025, and a video will pop up on the internet every, Pastor Elvis, half hour, na swear, na sorry, I want Accra. Video we from by and I say, Lady B, as a okra powder, ye knew, so call comfort no more, so call madam ho, so call my ho, and our man that part and say, on found quite quantity, will be intimate. There was a video appear on the internet here. Not Lady way no, on a non Pastor Elvis, as on down, to powder, a good hold more. Obiani akwankyerɛ sɛ minim sɛ obi no na akwankyerɛ ndi ase ana ana sɛ adunche dia na ɔsɛ no tai pada akwankyerɛ alo azo ba gemenya asɛm pɛ benya asɛm na asa okay ebia ɔsɛ tai pada akwankyerɛ ntino ka sɛ bia pada no dia na efiri bia na efina so ledwe ekoye pada akwanya ɔsɛ esimu sɛ na wo solifa powder ekotutugu obi asonda esimu sɛ na busia ɛno de sɛ na comedies about 4 days ago and a video pop about the internet humor lady be out of nowhere asonda nkro na obi ko to powder go ho no lady be afa petrol aboy asonda ho no akotutu petrol na go ma twagya tuma in fact asonda no wa hyefa I'm a Pastor Elvis. Ever reacted to that?
Unfortunately, Alfred, I have a news for you. I have a news for you. From this morning, you can't come to the auditorium to pray. You can't come. All of you, every one of you know that the auditorium is almost half full every day, every moment of the day.
Oh, yes.
People are praying. People are praying every day. So we are unable to close our own auditorium because people are ready to pray. It's a revival, and God is doing marvelous things.
Oh, yes.
Through it. People are ready to pray. But from today until further notice, I'm sorry you can't come because of what somebody did yesterday in the evening. How much hatred can you have? Are you sent? How much hatred that you will pick a fuel, petrol, sprinkle it in a church and set it on fire. Our friends, if you don't know, our church, a lady tried to set the whole church on fire yesterday in the evening. She came around like she's praying in the auditorium. Others were praying. It's like she's praying all of a sudden, and I appreciate our security so much. I appreciate from the way the one constantly on the CCTV camera caught that swift move and informed the security to rush her. Show it to them. Show it to them. Show it to them. How swift the lady was. Well, put petrol. Ye bienya mi fia manipa be bompa ye nya fa hodie obi nso so obe shedan. Look at that. Affairs, look at that. So please, if you come there today, it may not be open tomorrow, but one thing is it won't stop us. Devil, hear me. It won't stop us. We will fix the place, and prayer will still go. It won't stop us. It won't stop us. How many times have we not heard people say they heard something and they rushed to the auditorium to come and pray? And one upon some sort last year it was Obi who powder. We stopped people from going near the auditorium and we prayed the power of God into the auditorium so that the altar will be sanctified. And no man be mutibuguso. Obi timi tambo somadi no dia betos. They wanted to defile the altar, so God will not work. So we had to set measures in place. to make sure that nobody touches the altar, but you can stand around the altar. Affiliates be no muntiase, umuba, no mubufu, but umanya me humu yino, no munima de kuntia bota, because there is a power at work, and we need to sanctify and make it holy.
Oh, yes.
Also, I feel the idea don't say a dina near possession, a dina no possession, a dina. Or Penyah so me office side yes, that is Ubisha me office why you into the office umun say one is it to call Penyah around that area and therefore if the security and the management of the place in your fast with fire extinguishers and all that, how do you stop petrol fire with water? Come to me. And these are all signs of demons feeding on human minds, making them hate people that are loving them. Making them hate people. Me boni amaye me say. Say me sorry Kenya me asem. Ade na abu fu me. Maye wo day. Me boni amaye me say. Ye Kenya me asem mani pasajira. Sanka me betena na me di dani agudi anka obu fu me. Nipa giant penatri enti na obu fu me sa. Boni a nipa yo madu so they won't allow Satan to feed on them. Very soon how these kind of things makes you a meal to Satan. Come me the ote diagro ediensem huna and come on hwehwe me say yes come on hwehwe me say yes Timisuma obi no abehu pa da go ata so wa abehu pa da go wa ko pa da ohuhu wie ya ne ko feel stadium pa da nka yere de be boni ni ame abehu egu fom ko wa boka say pa da fuel a special dey go car say o church wo ni scato fuel and ka de betoka o dia be o be na nyankopon maye sika bi ne dia finish city ni no play it again how evil so bad ya chiwatume who be foul police for himself who be foul yes we won't spare you you have to face justice. You can't just come and bend. Thank God for that awareness, alertness. That people are sharp. Very sharp. So people are doing watch and pray. Do you know she tried to act like she's praying. If you watch the CCTV, she tried to act like she's praying. Went to the altar like she's going to give offering. Then from there on in Namhosan or Shasses or two petrol. Within the shop, see how swift. By the time my security knew who from CCTV rushing when our puppet. How tormented is the devil? How tormented is the devil? Why does it also? I don't know. The devil is more worried. The devil is more worried. Was that our 4th anniversary day? Normal had normal. So for normal had normal. You say, you need to be 19 ukrim. Opama bumfui. You either join us in serving Jesus right, or you get tormented. And you be a neobetibia or hobeshisho. Nipe no number such. You you have seen nothing yet.
Oh, yes.
Now, I just think I should die now. Keep it, I preach it. And they all say that I should, man. You say that I should, man.
That's right.
And I said, you wouldn't my fearing. Kumba be job until why a water.
Na man for try say dey see ya no ma on fara hongro so on take it on na fi onye careful be say we dey adan say enipa anybody no.
Pastor Elvis, if you take this very lightly, the next attempt might be very dangerous. And so don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this. And Pastor Elvis, me ma enkrofo me kan kira o say, "O ye sofo." Enti hwenyame nim na fa che. And I nyame din pa cho. Me pa cho o ye sofo a o ye nipa. Dwene ho out of the box. Say omo an omo go so dem ho mo ye bom pen nka omo ho kan ya. Ghana for be ka say, "Odi omo akwa eduro." Odi omo koji tumi abeye wa sorry. Odi omo twe akra ama wa sorry. Senka wana na wo ho no mo na nka ejei wanhu anaka wa na fa wa enka obi aso ma meka say hwenyame nim na fa che enka wo yire eye kuna. Enti Pastor Elvis, don't sleep on this. Don't take it lightly. Wo ye sofo a wo ye nipa. Won kwa hu hia o. Be biere wo sa asem we udi echi ne kokosi. Ne hu butaye ene adwen ba Appiah ni trim. No pa je to sorry dem on no. E wo say udi echi because this isn't funny. When things like this happen, when attacks like this happen, around asofo any omoji like people who are spiritual, it means that the devil has tried your family. The devil has tried you, Pastor Elvis, and now went to me. What try went to me into all the physical, into all shall see if you are sorry. One show you the next one will be on your children. And papa, Pastor Elvis, don't relax. Don't listen to what people would say. Don't listen. Gana for home. Yedi anu begu so sa na ya be power cho sa ujem manika. The next one will take you by surprise. And to Pastor Elvis, Miz and the Camel me say, don't sleep on this. Dia same yechi, dig to the last point and get to know reasons. Any omo ta Appiah nechi because we the enyekwa. Either say obi ne ta nechi anankrofo bi ta nechi. Yeah, oh my God. If you video na ekwa viral no. Appiah no enenam se altar ho se obo mpayo se okoba for you se okoye din ho na pa wa pete se carries no se fie lo se dey na wa pa eja e dey asori dem ho no omo ho no nka bibi to omo no nkomu wo ya ka Ghana for na na beta ka se Pastor Elvis ekunkrofo through fire outbreak e dey akoji to me e dey akoji powers. Pastor Elvis me say entie nyu obi beka. You see this particular case, die chire to the last breath. Die chire.
It was a dom kura na o pool ye at the 31st night no enye dom kuma asofo bebre ani bre. Asofo bebre ani bre. Eti bi che se onye careful nya se odi agro no fa na hogo no so a asem ebe fa na se. Wo beto a kire wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media. Akra.